Customer journey mapping tools versus experience analytics platforms. Which one is better for UX teams? Most UX teams assume that tracking metrics alone will improve user experience, but here's the surprising truth. Customer journey mapping tools and experience analytics platforms serve distinct roles, and knowing when to use each can transform design strategy. Customer journey mapping tools like Miro, SnapLeap, or Lucidchart focus on visualizing the end-to-end user journey. They help teams understand touch points, pain points, and emotions at each stage. For example, an online retailer can map a customer's path from at click to checkout, identifying steps where users drop off. These tools excel at aligning teams, spotting friction, and designing workflows that improve satisfaction. Experience analytics platforms, such as Hotjar, Fullstreet, or Content Score, provide quantitative insights into user behavior. They track clicks, scrolls, session duration, and conversion funnels to show exactly how users interact with a product. For instance, a SaaS platform can analyze which features users struggle with or where onboarding fails. These platforms excel at measuring behavior and validating design decisions with data. The key difference is qualitative visualization versus quantitative measurement. Journey mapping tools help teams empathize and plan, while experience analytics platforms confirm what's working and what needs improvement. Most high-performing UX teams use both journey maps to understand and design user flows and analytics platforms to test, measure, and refine those experiences. The takeaway is simple. If your goal is to understand the user story and identify pain points, journey mapping tools are indispensable. If your goal is to measure actual interactions and optimize based on behavior, experience analytics platforms are essential. The surprising truth is that using both together equips UX teams to design experiences that not only feel intuitive, but also perform effectively, boosting engagement, satisfaction, and retention.